All right, if you're just joining us again, the county's in red here. This is eastern part of the viewing area along the I-45 corridor. That's Navarro County. We have Limestone, Freestone, and Leon counties down here. Tornado watch until 10 p.m. Now, you got to remember, this is not just for these counties. It's the counties that are highlighted in or around this watch box. We could have an isolated tornado. So keep that in mind. Just because you're here in McClendon County or Falls County doesn't mean you can't have a brief spin up. It is going to be possible. Best chance for severe weather along and east of I-35 through the remainder of the evening hours. So keep that in mind here. If I can get this button to click for you. There we go. Live TV for you. Hey, here's a look at satellite water vapor. Big spin. This is our big upper level low here. Big energy starting to make its way into West Texas. A cold front out ahead of it. We've got a lot of instability in the air today, and we're starting to see those showers and thunderstorms being able to get going. And we've got some nasty ones firing up here. Could have some small hail. Reports of small hail out on the west side of Adams. There's tornado watch. They've had a couple of tornadoes, maybe 2 or 3 tornadoes with some damage up there just to the northeast of our viewing area. So if you have friends or family up that way, already a little bit of a bumpy evening here. We've had a couple thunderstorms come through the Waco area now. Again, nothing severe here in central Texas. Cold front is just now crossing I-35. We have the Bloom and Temple Festival, as you know, going on right now. That goes until midnight. We may have to put a hold on it as we got this thunderstorm developing here and pushing up into the Temple area, and lightning starting to tick up, maybe some small hail. I also want to watch this thunderstorm down around Georgetown. Could be a little, continue to increase a little on the strong side here. Again, nothing is severe. Heavy rain coming down on I-35, Salado to Belton, getting ready to move into Temple. Heavy rain, lightning. So if you have friends or family out there at the Bloom and Temple Festival, give them a call. Tell them to head indoors as we could see that lightning picking up. Here, overall, doing a pretty good job. Definitely got those strong thunderstorms just to our northeast. Cold front is just on the east side of I-35, so future track radar actually doing pretty good here. Overall, expecting to continue to see these thunderstorms congeal into a line, and we'll see that linear line, a squall line, pushing off towards the I-45 corridor through the remainder of the evening, and by 10:30, we could see those line of showers already exiting our viewing area, and that's good news. But I showed you that big area of spin out there in New Mexico moving into West Texas. That still has to lift through the region, and as it does so, we could still have moisture and a little instability. We could have some scattered showers and thunderstorms, non-severe, maybe a brief downpour overnight into early tomorrow morning, very isolated, some lightning and maybe some small hail with those. As we go through the morning, maybe a lingering shower in our far eastern, northeastern areas. Overall, we will see the clouds decreasing from west to east, and we'll have a breezy north wind with cooler air advecting in throughout the day, and that will give us quite the cool down compared to where we were today. Temperatures by tomorrow morning, we've got some 40s, some lower 50s, especially along and off towards the northwest will be the coolest. And look at the highs tomorrow. We're looking at some 60s and some lower 70s again with increasing sunshine. Here's a check of that 7-day forecast. Again, we will hold on to 70% chance of showers through the overnight, and we'll go with 30% chance of a lingering shower early tomorrow morning, a nice cool down, and then we warm up, tracking another cold front as we go into middle to late week next week. Could have some showers, maybe some thunderstorms, still too far out to speculate on that. But of course, it is getting into May, so we will keep you updated if the severe threat does exist. Again, we'll continue to keep you updated as showers and thunderstorms are developing along I-35. We'll have more 6 News after the break.